Have you ever found yourself deep in the outdoors, craving a hot coffee or warm meal, only to realize your camp kettle isn't built for real campfire use? Many outdoor enthusiasts discover that lightweight gear often sacrifices durability, while heavy-duty equipment can be a hassle to carry. Finding the right balance isn't always easy. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Fire-Maple Antarcti Portable 1-liter stainless steel camping kettle. Designed for campers, backpackers, bushcraft enthusiasts, overlanders, and outdoor adventurers, this kettle aims to provide a simple, reliable way to boil water over campfires, camp stoves, and other outdoor heat sources. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the Antarcti immediately feels like a piece of gear designed with durability in mind. The stainless steel construction gives it a rugged appearance that fits naturally into outdoor environments. Unlike some ultralight aluminum alternatives that prioritize weight above all else, this kettle feels solid and confidence-inspiring. The finish is clean and functional rather than flashy, which honestly suits its purpose perfectly. It looks like a tool meant to be used, not just admired. One of the first things you'll notice is the rotating handle. It's a simple feature, but an important one. When you're working around a campfire or packing gear into a crowded backpack, having a handle that moves easily and stores compactly makes everyday use more convenient. The secure lid is another thoughtful touch. It stays in place while boiling, helping water heat efficiently while reducing the chances of accidental spills. The 1-liter capacity hits a practical sweet spot. It's large enough for multiple cups of coffee, tea, or hot chocolate, but compact enough to avoid taking up unnecessary pack space. For solo campers, it's more than sufficient for daily use. For couples or small groups, it provides enough hot water for drinks and basic meal preparation without constantly requiring refills. When it comes to performance, the Fire-Maple Antarcti does exactly what most outdoor users need. It boils water efficiently over a variety of heat sources, including open fires and camp stoves. That versatility is one of its strongest selling points. Not every campsite provides the same setup, so having gear that adapts to different situations adds real value. Whether you're preparing coffee before sunrise, making dehydrated meals after a long hike, or sanitizing water in an emergency, the kettle performs consistently and predictably. Another thing worth mentioning is heat retention. Stainless steel tends to hold heat better than many lightweight alternatives, which means water stays warm a little longer after boiling. While it won't replace an insulated container, it does help reduce the need for immediate reheating during camp routines. Ease of use is another highlight. There are no moving parts beyond the handle, no coatings to worry about, and virtually no learning curve. Fill it, place it over the heat, and you're ready to go. Cleanup is equally simple. Stainless steel is easy to maintain, and the wide opening provides enough access for rinsing and cleaning after use. Of course, there are a few trade-offs. The durable steel construction means it's slightly heavier than some ultralight backpacking kettles. If your primary goal is shaving every possible ounce from your pack weight, there are lighter options available. However, many outdoor enthusiasts will gladly accept a small weight increase in exchange for improved durability and long-term reliability. Compared with similarly priced camping kettles, the Fire-Maple Antarcti stands out because of its focus on ruggedness and versatility. Some competitors prioritize weight savings, while others focus on larger capacities. This kettle strikes a balanced middle ground that works well for campers, bushcrafters, and travelers who value dependable performance over extreme specialization. Overall, the Fire-Maple Antarcti Portable Camping Kettle succeeds by keeping things simple. It's durable, portable, easy to use, and capable of handling real outdoor conditions. If you're looking for a reliable kettle that can travel from campsite to campfire without complaint, this is definitely one worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the link in the description for current pricing and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.